Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your camera bag with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Mirrorless cameras have completely taken over the market, and for good reason. They're faster, lighter, and smarter than the old DSLRs ever were. Today, we're covering the top 5 best mirrorless cameras, chosen for their resolution, autofocus speed, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. We're starting with the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. This camera is a workhorse that doesn't pretend to be anything else. It's built around a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor that's been evolved for high-speed hybrid shooting. The big draw here is the electronic shutter speed, which hits 40 frames per second. That's fast enough to catch details you'd normally miss in a blur. It uses dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which covers the entire frame. It doesn't just track people, it handles animals, planes, and even horses with deep learning tech. It's the kind of reliability we expect from a premium body. The video side is just as impressive. You're getting uncropped 4K at 60p, which is oversampled from 6K. This means your footage is sharp and professional without the annoying crop factors found on budget bodies. It's got dual SD card slots for peace of mind, which is mandatory for any pro-level gig. While it's a premium investment, it's built to stay relevant for years. If you want a camera that handles low light and fast action without breaking a sweat, this is the one. It's a safe, high-end pick for anyone serious about their craft.
Next up is the Sony Alpha A6400. It's been around for a while, but it still puts many newer cameras to shame. It features a 24.2 megapixel aps-c sensor and Sony's legendary real-time tracking. We're talking about an autofocus system that locks on in a fraction of a second. It's got 425 phase detection points that stick to a subject's eye like glue. For travel photographers and vloggers, this compact build is a massive advantage. It fits in a small bag, but delivers images that blow any smartphone out of the water. It's the perfect mid-range companion for everyday use. The flip-up screen is a bit of a weird design choice since it sits right behind the hot shoe, but it works for framing yourself. It shoots 4K video with full pixel readout, so the quality is crisp and clear. Just keep in mind there's no in-body stabilization. You'll need steady hands or stabilized lenses if you've got shaky hands. It's a mid-range beast that's famous for its reliability and massive ecosystem of lenses. If you're looking for a compact system that won't let you down on the road, this is it. It's a smart, battle-tested choice for creators.
Now we're checking out the Nikon Z52 2-lens kit. This is a complete package that makes a lot of sense for beginners and enthusiasts. It uses a 20.9 megapixel DX format sensor and the same processing engine found in Nikon's flagship cameras. The autofocus is surprisingly smart, detecting 9 different subject types automatically. We like the dedicated picture control button. It lets you cycle through 31 built-in presets to find your aesthetic without diving into deep menus. It's about making photography fun again, instead of a technical chore. It feels solid and well-built in the hand. The 2-lens kit is the real value here. You get a wide angle for landscapes and a telephoto for wildlife. Both lenses have optical vibration reduction, which helps keep your shots sharp. It's compact enough to fit in a small shoulder bag, so you'll actually take it with you. The electronic viewfinder is bright and immersive, which helps when shooting in harsh sunlight. It's a high-end entry into the Nikon Z system that feels professional. If you want a versatile setup that covers all the bases from day one, we recommend this kit. It's a great high-end start.
The Canon EOS R50 is basically the new standard for vlogging. It packs a 24.2 megapixel aps-c sensor into a body that's incredibly light. We're talking about a camera that's ready for 6K oversampled 4K video at 30p. One of its best tricks is the movie for close-up demo mode. It quickly switches focus from your face to whatever product you hold up to the lens. It's a game changer for reviewers and influencers. It also supports vertical video, so your content is ready for social media immediately. It's built for the modern creator who needs speed. The autofocus uses the same deep learning tech as more expensive models, so it's very reliable. It tracks people, animals, and vehicles with ease. The vari-angle touchscreen makes it easy to shoot from weird angles or film yourself. It's a budget-friendly pick that feels modern and intuitive. Some users find the grip a bit small, but it's easy to fix with a cage. If you're a content creator looking for a powerful but simple tool, this is the best move. It's a smart, budget-friendly upgrade that won't break the bank while delivering pro results.
Finally, let's talk about the Canon EOS R100. This is the most budget-friendly way to get into the EOS R system. It's the smallest and lightest body they make, featuring a 24.1 megapixel sensor. It's designed for simplicity above all else. If you're tired of your phone's fake-looking background blur, the R100 gives you the real thing. It handles 4K video and has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick sharing to your device. It's a straightforward machine for someone who just loves better family photos and travel shots without the complexity. The dual-pixel AF is fast for stills, though it's a bit more basic than the R50. There's no touchscreen here, which might feel weird if you're used to a smartphone, but the physical buttons are easy to learn. It's a no-frills choice that focuses on the essentials of photography. It's light enough to carry all day without noticing it in your pack. While it lacks some advanced features, it's perfect for casual use and beginners. And that wraps up the top 5 best mirrorless cameras for photography. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. We're always hunting for the best gear so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.